Hi students, good morning to everyone. In chapter surface area and volumes, so already completed one topic. Okay, totally three topics are there. One topic already completed. That is surface area of a combination of solids. Combination of solids completed. Now the next topic, value, related to value. Okay, right. So first you understand the concept. Okay. While finding surface area, we add the area. For example, one cylinder is there. Okay. Surmounted by a hemisphere means we want to add this area. Okay. But in value, okay, we can take any one shape means we want to minus. Value means the total occupied space. Okay. For example, it is like cylinder bottle. Okay. Right. So in this bottle, this capacity is 1 liter. Capacity of this water bottle is 1 liter. Okay. Right. So from this water bottle, I will take some of water. Clear? I will take some of water. Okay. So that is now want to subtract the water or want to add the water. Remaining capacity, to obtain remaining capacity. Can you understand? It is here. This is the water bottle is capacity of 1 liter. Okay. So I will take some water from this bottle. Okay. Okay. So remaining water we want to find. Okay. So that remaining water is from the total water we want to subtract the taken out. எதை நம்ம வெளியில எடுக்கிறோமோ அதை subtract பண்ணணும். But in area add பண்ணிருக்கோம். புரியுதா இல்லையா? Right. So understand the shape. Okay. Right. So we will see some problem. Okay. So before going to problem, recall the formula. Okay. So cube, volume of cube is equal to A cube, A into A, cuboid, L into B into H, okay. The next cylinder by R square H, cube units. Okay, it is value. So these are cube units. Okay. Right. Next cone 1/3 by R square H. The next is sphere 4/3 by R cube. Sphere is equal to 4/3 by R cube. The next is hemisphere 2/3 by R cube. Okay. So these formulas is very important to this topic. Okay. So first you recall this formula. Okay. So first of all you recall this formula. Value of these shapes. Okay. First you recall it. Okay. The next question, first question we will see. So I will explain the question. Okay, I will explain the questions. First question homework. So after this end of this session, I will explain how we will do the homework. Right. Next second question. Now second question. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using thin aluminum sheet. Okay. One cylinder shape is there. Okay. At end of two base, two cone is there. The diameter of model is 3 centimeter and its length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, find the value of air contained in the model that Richard made. Assume that accused outer and inner dimension of the model to be nearly the same. Okay, right? Easiest one. We need to find value. Okay, so value. We need to find the value of this shape. For engineering students, or a shape make for our model. Cylinder at the two end side, one side is cone, other one side also cone. Okay, right. So, the addition subtraction panel doubt varumna depression take out. அது வந்து வெளியில எடுக்கும் ஒரு ஷேப்ல இருந்து வெளியில எடுக்கும்போது some confusion will come. Okay, for example, it is a cylinder shape. Okay, so you take a cone, take out cone with some measurement means you want to separate, but here clearly given one model is there. Okay, cylinder, the two end, one side is cone with another one side is so same cone. Okay, right. I will explain by diagram. Okay, listen. That shape. One model. The height or length is given. So it is cylinder. Engineering student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder. It is like cylinder. Okay, with two cones attached. At the end of two ends. Okay, attached is two ends. Okay, using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. Okay, so it is 3 centimeter. Diameter of model. Okay, so diameter of cylinder as well as diameter of cone both are same. Okay, so all of the fit pandranga. Okay, so solution. Diameter of cylinder and cone is equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Okay, but what about radius? 3 by 2 centimeter. 3 by 2 centimeter. Okay, then length is 12 centimeter. The total length is 12 centimeter. The total length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter. So this cone is height 2 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter. Okay, so what about total length? 12 centimeter. Okay, so height of cone 2 centimeter. Here height of cone 2 centimeter. So here 2 centimeter, here 2 centimeter. Okay, so what about height, length of cylinder or height of cylinder? So the remaining length how much? 8 centimeter. Are you clear? 2 plus 8 10 plus 2 12. 2 plus 8 10 plus 2 12. Okay, so total length 12 centimeter. Total length 12 centimeter. Okay, so height of cylinder 12 centimeter. Height of cylinder, that is also 12 centimeter. Right. So height of the cone. Height of the cone is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, then height of cylinder is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, so it is assumed as H1, it is assumed as H2. Okay, so two different heights are there, so use H1 and H2. Okay, right. So find the value. So total capacity, we need to find total capacity. Okay, right. How we find the total capacity? Like this. Okay, so volume of this cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Okay, volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Volume of, okay, here there is no curved and total. Volume means total capacity only. So volume of cone plus volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. Okay, so these two cone also with the same height and same diameter. Okay, same height and same diameter. So we have shown as two times of volume of cone. Okay, so total volume is equal to volume of cylinder plus 2 times of volume of a cone. Are you clear? Volume of cylinder plus 2 times of a volume of cone. Okay, so next you want to write the formula. Volume of cylinder formula by r square h. Volume of cylinder by r square h. Okay, plus 2 into, because 2 times of volume of a cone. 2 times of a volume of cone. 2 into volume of cone formula 1 by 3 by r square h. 1 by 3 by r square h. Okay. Listen, here we have radius are same for both diagram, cylinder as well as cone. Okay, diameter are same, but height are different. Okay, so height of the cone we assume as h1, so it is h1, and height of cylinder we assume as h2. Okay, so not same value for h. Okay, right. Here which are common by as common, then r square also common because both radius value same. Okay, so I will take it as common by r square. H also same, but it as a values plus difference are. Okay, we cannot take it as common. So h2 plus 2 by 3 into h1 by r square already took as common. Okay, now substitute the value. By value 22 divided by 7 into r square. What about r value? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Then next h2 value. What about h2? 8. 8 plus 2 divided by 3. Then h1 value 2. H1 value 2. Okay. Now any cancellation possible? 1 2 is 2, 11 2s are. So 11 by 7, 3 3s are 9. Here 1 2 is there. Okay, 3 into 3 into 9. Okay, otherwise keep it as same. Into 3 into 3. Here denominator 2. 11 into 3 into 3. Here denominator 7 into 2. Okay, here simplify 8 plus 4 by 3. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so we want to take as LCM or cross multiplication. So 11 into 3 into 3 divided by 14. Divided by 14. Okay, here multiply cross 8 3s are 24. Okay, so 24 plus 4 divided by 3. Okay, so the 1 3 cancel, remaining 33 divided by 14 into 28. 33 divided by 14 into 28. Okay, now 1 14 is 14, 2 14s are 28. Okay, so answer 66 centimeter cube. Okay, answer 66 centimeter cube. Okay, that's all students. This question very easiest one. Okay, while applying value, be careful. Okay, if before going to take as common or before going to apply the value, you check it. Both radius values are same or both height also same. Everything you check it. Okay, if we have different values, you assume as h1 or h2 like this. Radius are different means radius 1, radius 2. Okay, or use any other. Okay, that's our students, very easiest one. Okay, you follow it. Next question, the first question is homework. Okay, just I will explain now. It is homework. Okay, a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. Standing on a hemisphere. Okay, a solid shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. Standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. The height of the cone is equal to its radius. Okay, so radius and the height are same. Radius and the height are same. Okay, wait, what about radius? Radius 1 centimeter. Okay, so how will you find the area? Sorry, value, the total value. Like this shape is there. Okay, a solid shape cone standing on a hemisphere. Okay, how will you find the total value? How will you find the total value? Okay, so volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Clear? Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Volume of cone. Okay, volume of cone. Right. So next you write the measurement. Okay, so radius is equal to 1 centimeter. Volume of hemisphere formula 2 by 3 by r cube. Volume of cone 1 by 3 by r square height. Okay, right. But the radius are same. Radius are same. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. We need to height. Okay, so height also equal to radius. Height also equal to radius. Okay, everything equal. Okay, then next to one more condition is given. Find the value of the solid in terms of pi. Okay, so no need to find the pi value. So you take it as common pi. Remaining 2 by 3 or cube plus 1 by 3 or square height. Okay, so in terms of pi you find. Okay, so no need to find the pi value. Okay, so it is homework. Okay, then example some I will explain now. So example some no need to copy in your classwork note. You follow with your book. Okay? Example 5. So I will explain the question. Sandra runs an industry in shade, which is in the shape of a cuboid, surmounted by a arc cylinder. Surmounted by a arc cylinder. See in figure like this. Okay, one cuboid is there in surmounted by arc cylinder. Okay, one shed. If the base of the shed is of dimension 7 meter and into 15 meter, and the height of the cuboid portion is 8 meter. Further, suppose the machinery in the shed occupies a total space of 300 meter cube, and there are 20 workers, each of whom occupied about 0.08 meter cube space on an average. So then, how much air is in the shed? How much air is in the shed? Okay, first I will explain the diagram. Okay, students, are you understand the question? One shed is there. Okay, in the shed, measurement dimension of cylinder 7 in your book is clearly given. Okay, 7 meter, 15 meter. So it is a diameter of the cylinder as well as length or breadth of. Okay, so I will as length is equal to breadth of what is that? Cuboid. Okay, so it is length is 15 meter. That is a height of cylinder. Height is equal to 15 cylinder. Radius is equal to 7 by 2. Length 15, breadth 7, and height is equal to 8 meter given. Okay, so in the shed, machinery is there. That total 300. So அது என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னா ஒரு பில்டிங் குள்ள ஒரு ஷெட்டுக்குள்ள machinery. Okay, then manpower, workers, then air. The remaining portion air. Okay. So this machinery is equal to 300 meter cube. Okay. The machinery is 300. The machinery occupied 300 meter cube. Then workers occupied, totally 20 workers are there. Each of whom occupied that 0.08 meter cube. So 20 workers are there. Each worker can occupy the space 0.08 meter cube. Okay. So 20 into 8 to 160. So 1.6 meter cube. Okay. So these are occupied. The remaining is air. Okay. From the total value, remaining is air. Okay. So first we need to find total value. So total value, how will you find? Value of Q point plus half of value of, because it is hollow cylinder, half cylinder. Okay. So shed, can you imagine it? Shed, how will, like this? It is a half cylinder. Okay. So half of value of cylinder. Right. So value of Q point formula, L into B into H. Here 1 by 2 by R square H. Okay. So find the value. Okay. Total value find it. Apply the value. 15 into 8 into L into 15 into 7 into 8 plus half of 1 by 3 by R square H. Okay. So that value is found in your book. That is 1128.75. Okay, centimeter cube. Okay, so you apply the value, then multiply it. Okay, so this concept are very easy. Many students did the mistake in while doing multiplication or addition. Okay, so you correct your mistake. So apply the value. Once again you find the answer. Okay, so then compare with the book answer, correct or wrong. Okay, then. So the total value of the shed is equal to 1128.75 centimeter. Sorry, it is meter, no, so meter cube. This total value. Okay, from the total value, first you subtract machinery, then you subtract one workers. Okay, for remaining only, what is it? Yeah, okay. So 301.6. If you subtract means remaining answer you get. Okay. That is 827 1.5 meter cube. Okay, that is answer. Okay, so you follow the book. The first sum only you do as homework. Okay, so I will do per day or 2 sums only completed. Okay, so please understand the concept and topics and imagine the given shape. Okay, thank you students.